cuties, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiquana, also known as Q, and today we have an all black everything video. I have some outfits for every occasion, and I typically wear all black to work, so I find myself not wearing black when it comes to like outings or just getting dressed outside of work. So if you're interested, please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and keep watching. For our first outfit, we are starting with this crop button up. I couldn't find my regular button up, so this will have to do. I'm wearing my editor pants from Express. I just like how slim fitting those are. And we're going to wear the Socate Louboutin. I think these are like the lock Socates. That crop top is gonna give me stress. So with this, we're going to pop on this tuxedo blazer from Zara. I wish it was a little bit more tailored in the waist. You see how that crop top is giving me the blues. But we're going to make it do what it do. So if you plan on recreating this, I got that blazer recently. I will wear a full shirt because you can see my skin and it keeps getting on my nerves. But yeah. I put on some hoop earrings because I love men's wear, but I don't want it to look like your uncle. So that's why I put on the big hoop earrings. Giving me the blues some more. But for the sake of the video, I thought the outfit was cute and classy. So if you're looking for something like New Year's Eve party, I think this would, I will probably, if I'm wearing it for New Year's Eve, I wouldn't wear a shirt underneath and just have like a lace bra or tape up the girls. And I was having a little time, so I wore my BCBG clutch with it, and that is the look. I really find this very, very cute and classy. So this next look, we're going to start with this bodysuit from HSIA. I just ordered that TikTok viral bodysuit that's long sleeve. So yeah, I will probably wear that instead of the short sleeve one, but we're going to make it do with what we have. Okay, I'm going to wear these UGG leg warmers. I turned them inside out because they're reversible, and I put them on like the faux velvet side. And yeah, take a look. I want to wear these Doc Martens with it. They're the kids' Doc Martens. I think I'm a size 6 in them because they have like the little zipper on the side. That's how you know they're kids. For bag, I want to wear this Prada belt bag because it just cuts up the monotonous of the bodysuit, and I just think that it needed something else. And then I'm going to wear this jacket, this puffer jacket from BCBG. It's like supposed to be patent leather, but it ain't. It's just like a shiny puffer. And then I'm like, oh, I got this hat. So this hat is from BCBG. It could use a lint roller, but I thought it was super cute just to pop on top. This is also for the girls in the north because yeah, you'll be hot in the south. But yeah, where would I go? Skiing. Or just running errands. Probably not the hat. Yeah, I'll probably wear a Scully if I was going to run errands. But yeah, this is the look. Cute and comfy. For this look, I have on this sweater dress from Curated Styles. It came in my subscription this week. And I want to wear these gator boots from Zara. These are my favorite. I wanted to dress this look down, so it's not like so dressy because the dress is a little short. Okay, I have the boots on. And then to pair this, I want to wear my leather jacket from All Saints. Just because I think it will like dress it down. Because I could have put the fur on, but it would have been too dressed up. Like we can wear this to like a concert. A winter concert. And then I don't have a all black top handle, but I wanted to wear a top handle bag. So I pulled out the Goyard, and I think it looked cute with the hair, the outfit. And yeah, that is the look. For this next look, I started with this Zara top with the back out. I paired it with this pleated leather skirt from, it's a midi skirt from Zara as well. I didn't like the belt that came on it, so I switched out the belt for a belt that I already had. And we can wear this to church, but put on a top with the back in it. But for the video, I wanted to be cute and interesting. For shoes, I wanted to wear these pumps from Aldo, because the boots that I had just didn't work. I like the pump better. Look at the flow on the skirt. And then for bag, I decided on my BCBG clutch. Yes. Yes. And I don't have a black coat that I would like to wear this with this, so I decided to use my cape trench coat from BCBG. And I just thought it just added like a little pizzazz. If it's cold, I would probably wear a scarf. But yeah, serving looks. I don't know where we're going if we don't go to church. I just wanted to put that shirt on. So change it out for a regular shirt, and that is the look. For our last look, we started with these leggings from Zara. I love the fact that they have this waistband to suck you in. And this cardigan sweater from Urban Revival. I have on a lace bra underneath, but I didn't really like the lace showing. I changed into gold jewelry because I noticed that the button is gold. And then we're going to wear our Zara shark boot dupes. Look at the waist on those. Suck you right in, sis. For a bag, we're going to do this Valentino bag with the strap, but I'm going to do it like a shoulder bag. And now wear it like that. I feel like I can go out in this. I thought this was super sexy as far as like the fit of it all. And it's showing something, but not too much. So that is the look. So that completes this outfit idea video using all black everything. Hopefully I put together some outfits that you can wear like, oh, I got those same things that I can wear. If you got your hands on some of these items when I used them in a haul, I tried to use some items that I already had in the haul video so you can like, oh, I can wear that too. So if you like this video and you like this style video, I know I did it a little differently, but I was bored with the other style. So please thumbs me up. Comment and let me know if you like the other way better or if you like this better. So please comment and subscribe, and until the next video, keep it cute. See you tomorrow.